Today I will be showing you Skyler Bottle. I just got her out of the box. I was going to make a video of unboxing her and like showing you both, but then I decided just to make a showing you. So I'm just going to unbox her clothes and her shoes and stuff with you. Sorry. And I have the green one, but I don't know what her name is because I got her one. I forgot her name. But let's start unboxing her stuff. So I think we're gonna unbox her stand first so that she can stand up. So I'm gonna do that. So her stand is 2 pieces. This is it's 3. Sorry. There's this piece, and this piece, and it also comes with it. So what you do is you put this on. I think it's the wrong way. You put the base on this. This is what makes us stand, and this is what holding this, which is you're supposed to wrap it around. So here you go. I have the doll stands, and now you put her on the doll stands, and then she can stand. So let's put her on. It's a little hard since her long hair. And now she's on. See? And you might need to make her go on it. Good. So now she's on it. And now we can open the hangers, and then we can open the extra outfit. So it comes with these little hangers for her extra outfit. And it also comes with extra shoes. I believe one of the rainbow hangers. So one of the hangers you might need to assemble it. You just snap those things on. This and this. And now you have a regular hanger. So this one is supposed to use to hold shorts and stuff. And this one is used to hang dresses and stuff. Okay, now let's get the shoes opened. And the shoes did come with her. You did not need to buy it. And you can buy it, I think you can buy it at Target, because I've seen it at Target before. Not all Targets, but I think I've seen it at Target before. I've seen it I think Target's the only place I've seen it so far at. I think you can definitely buy them on Amazon. You can buy them at, I think that's all I know that you can buy them so far. And yeah, so that's the places I know that you can buy them. But if you know any other places that you can buy them, let me know in the comments. Because I'd love to know. So, the shoes are almost open. It's a little tricky, but I think I've got them open. So they're connected, so you just need to kind of cut that off. And I have one shoe out, and there's another shoe, and there's socks. Yes, there's socks too. So I'll show the shoes before I get out the outfit. So here are the shoes, and they have socks too. The socks, right? So there's 2 little socks, but the socks are in plastic, so they're like fishnet socks. And they have tags of shoes. Let's get the other thing off. So the plastic, because there's plastic things on them. So these are little shoes, and then we're gonna be opening this dress. Okay. I need to show them. Okay, yes, that's the dress. Okay, and there is a little tag on it. And there's a little clear thing. Can I see the doll? Yes. I'm going to let my sister see the doll for a second. Can I hold it? No, don't take off the doll stand for now. And yeah, so those are the shoes. And now I will show you the fishnet socks. So they're just little socks that look like fishnets. Now, let's open the outfit so I can show you. And then we will be showing the doll last. Yes, because she's the biggest thing. We already opened her, like I showed you. I think I showed you. Yeah, I showed you. And so that we're going to be showing last, because that's like the best one. We're going to save the best for last. There was it.
Look in her hair. Look.
Yes, those little things.
Okay.
Okay.
I just need to go and see my daddy real quick.
Okay. So. Now we're going to take out the outfit. There's two outfits. Okay. So here is the top. So it all. I dropped the plastic bag. 1 second. And this is the little top. It's like a long sleeve shirt, and it says rainbow on the side, and it's white. And now this is kind of like a little dress that goes underneath. So see, it's a little dress, and it goes underneath the shirt, or it can just be like a normal dress, whatever you want, like that. And the sleeves, and there's a lot of little buttons. It's really realistic. There's a zipper. The zipper doesn't actually unzipper, like zipper, unzipper. So if you try to do that, you should be super, super careful. And you should watch this video in case you break it. So yeah. And that was it. And now I'm going to show you another thing, and then we'll show the doll. It also comes with, I'm going to show you where it goes. It also comes with a little brush for the doll, so you can comb her hair like this. But you have to be very careful not to take the clothes off. So now we will be showing the dolls. So she has 3 little, like there's, oh no, there's something still in there. Sorry, wait 1 second, I just need to take that out. It's a little, you can't always see, but there's a little. You know what, I'll do that after. Sorry, so I'll do that after. She has 3 different shades of blue in her hair, and there's claws, so you have to be careful if you get water on her or anything. She has very pretty eyes, eyeshadow, and they're blue, of course, because she's the blue one. And she has a very pretty lipstick. It's shimmery, and she also has moon earrings. Can't really see that they have little stars on them. Both sides, I think. Yes, both sides. And there is a little bell that says rainbow. It says, I think, rainbow. Something like that. I think it just says rainbow. And she has clear shoes. Sorry about that, because that's my little brother. She's watching TV. And see, these are little, she has clear shoes, and I actually believe they have socks underneath. So she's crying and yelling, my big brother. And we're actually going to see them today. And they has cloud socks underneath. I'm going to take that off so you can see. Let's get that off. See, it's a little cloud sock. Little cloud, and it's light blue, of course. So now I'm just going to put that back on so I can show you the rest of her. And by the way, I did get her for Christmas. I think I told you that. I don't know if I did or not. It could have been in the last video that I tried to do it, but it didn't. I don't really remember. I think it's stuck to the shoe. Okay. Now it's unstuck. One more thing. There we go. And now I just need to put that shoe back on. And then I can have the sock and the shoe. And then I can show you the rest of it. So it's stuck again. Okay. I think it's unstuck. Now just put on the shoe. Sorry, that's my dad yelling. Okay. So here she is again, and now I can show you the rest of the songs. Okay. Now let's start with a lot of songs in this video. Say it again. Okay. So she has a jean jacket. It's real denim. And she has a little skirt with buttons and not real buttons. And then underneath, let's see. And the hands do come off, so it's easier. So let's see underneath. Okay. The hands do come off. That's easier. Let's take that off. And put the hands back on. And I actually realized that from another YouTube video, My Foggy Stuff, and it was like a fit video, something like that. And so now I'm gonna show you the whole top. So she comes with, I'm gonna undress her a little, and all the way behind all this. So there's this little undergarment thing. I don't know what it is called, but it's a little dress thing. And she has a white shirt. It's a crop top. And yeah, that's her shirt. Now I'm going to put this back on so you can see it better. Now, actually, we're going to be undressing her and putting on her other outfit. Actually, maybe I won't do that in this video. I probably won't. I think this is like a long video. So please click like. So I'm gonna end this video. So please click like and subscribe and let me know in the comments if you like this video. Bye!